Hey everyone, excited for the upcoming Inzoi game release? Here's everything you need to know about when to expect it. Inzoi, developed by Krafton, was initially set to release in 2024, but after high anticipation and feedback from fans, the team decided to extend development to deliver the best experience possible. Mark your calendars, the official release date is now March 28, 2025. The game will after launch on Steam in early access, giving fans a chance to explore the detailed world of Joyce. Unique characters you can customize, manage, and help build a virtual society. In Enjoy, you will be able to influence your joyous lives, build cities, and enjoy activities like karaoke, arcade gaming, and more. It's all about creating impressive social experiences with a twist. Get ready to dive into this next gen life simulator in early 2025. Stay tuned for more updates and hit that subscribe button for all things Enjoy.